guys, I'm making a pen paper. Do you guess what I'm making? I'm making a boat. Footpath. Just make it easy this thing. And it's done. And your mirror was just and make it little. Make it just like an airplane, right? It's just like making an airplane. Yeah. Then you have to pull the paper away. Baby, make the paper like this. Roll the fig out. You'd have to know it. Good. Mind brain. Right. This part is done. Now for you one magic mystery thing. It became like this. Now we are gonna make one more rectangle, something like that. And then this. Now again we have to do this. It's the last part. If you open it, it's a boat. Bye guys. Have a good day.